Hey, I have a second channel. Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody, it's February 27, 2022, and it's time for an update on the tech room. So of course, I've been shooting videos already in here, but I spent some time this weekend working on this room to try to make it more complete, and you can see I've definitely made some progress. The table over there now has lighting over it. I have officially gotten 12 volts and 5 volts over to this table over here. I had an old extension cord that had a bad spot in it, or at least the outer jacket was frayed in a spot, so I took it, I put it into retirement. I cut the ends off of it and I repurposed the wiring to feed DC power from this power supply over here to this table. So I have 12 volts DC, 5 volts DC, and ground through that extension cord. And right now I got it feeding my lights. So I got that done today. And as you can see, it lights up pretty well. It doesn't light up as good as those lights over there light up that table. These are definitely not the same kind of lights. These particular lights here, they used to be over that table in my parents' place years ago, in my old bedroom over there. Now, when I moved into single wide back in 2016, I bought those Great Value MR16 bulbs, which I think are rated for, I think they pull 7 watts. I think they're like 50 watt equivalents, and I think these are 20 watt equivalents. And you can see quite a difference between the two, between those and those. So I'm going to probably end up changing these out for that style right there, because if you look, these have just 3 LEDs, whereas these have 6 LEDs. So those do a much better job at lighting things up. Now, part of it is this table here is of course dark, but you can see how those lights kind of just shine directly down. You can see a bright spot there and a bright spot there, whereas the coverage over here is more even, for sure. But yeah, it'll do for now. So got lighting set up over this table now, so that way I can start working stuff over here. So this table here, as I think I've mentioned in previous videos, this is going to be kind of like an overflow table. It'll be like an overflow table for computer projects like laptops and things like that, stuff that doesn't necessarily need a keyboard, mouse, and monitor. And of course, other random projects like stuff I work on, like power supplies, anything involving soldering, things like that, I'll probably be doing over here on this table. And of course, everything else I'll do over there on that table. It's definitely nice to have 2 separate tables now. The first time I've ever had 2 separate tables. And also, I've made some progress on this closet. I rearranged it a little bit. I took the shelving unit that was over there and moved it where it sits now. Now brought in an additional shelving unit, put it together, and that'll give me more space to store stuff, and I have a little area to stack towers right there. It's definitely nice having this walk-in closet, for sure. You can see I've already got a bunch of junk in here. So I got a whole bunch of Dell Optiplex 390s. Those were kind of, more or less part systems. Almost all of them were missing hard drives. They were all missing memory. And some of them had other issues. And I did a whole video about those, which I'll be posting here pretty soon. I also got these printers. 2 of these Canon MF42 for DWs. And we've got this Dell thing down here. So these two Canons, they have a couple little issues. As far as I know, I got to test them out to see what's wrong with them. One of them is missing the toner cartridge, so who knows. One does have a toner cartridge, so at least I'll have a toner cartridge to test them with. Definitely have some stuff lined up to do videos about. But yeah, guys, making progress a little bit at a time. Here it is, almost March. First week of March will be will be 3 months living here. Hard to believe, guys, it's been that long already. But anyways, guys, that kind of wraps up for now. So that is an update on the tech room, or the computer room, whatever you want to call it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the computer channel, and be sure to tick that bell so you'll get notified when new videos are posted. Also, don't forget, I have a whole lot of other interesting videos here on the channel to check out. And also, in addition, I have a second channel, CubeComp MTDX, where I have all sorts of other videos not exactly related to technology. Links to the channels are available at the end of this video. Again, I thank you for your support and thanks for watching this video.